Hello everyone, welcome to today's mukbang. Welcome to Ojuolape space. Whoops! Today's mukbang we are having our black amala with fish and ewedu. And with me I'm having my drink. I have this malt and I have this five alive. What do you prefer eating your amala with? Do you prefer drinking malt or you prefer drinking five alive? I'm just confused because I love stepping down my food with a good drinks and now I'm just confused. I don't know what to step down with my amala. If it is my malt or my five alive, what? You will discover as you keep on watching what I'm going to step down with my amala. Welcome to today's mukbang. If this is your first time watching me on my YouTube channel, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say very welcome. Thank you for always stopping by to watch Ojuolape space. Oops. So let me wet my hand and pray and let's deal with this. Welcome to today's mukbang. Ooh, I've wet my hand. Boop, 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 boop. Let's bless this food. Bless this food. Amen and amen. This is my amala. Oops. My black. Not black amala. My brown amala. If you want to know how to make your amala, it's in the description box. Ooh. Wow. So delicious. Wow, this is correct amala. If you're watching me and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to support Ojuolape. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cost you nothing. Correct amala. This wonderful morning. This amala, soft and sweet. African food, wow. Don't joke with it. This amala will not allow me to take any drink. I'm just consumed by this amala. Sorry, I didn't ask you to come and join me because this is just so sweet. I love this. I'm so full. I don't think I'll be taking any of these drinks because I'm full, really, really full. I wish I can. I love fish head. How many of us? We are in this group of eating fish bone, especially the head. I love it so much. Happy. You need to join me. Was it actually true when they said when you eat fish eye, you don't seem to know anything in school? And this Yoruba song that I've just sing, Olodo Rabata Ojuolape Moje. I was like, so those people that is eating Ojuolape, that is the fish eye. it's going to be dull in class. Is it really true? I think we need to talk about this. Why will a particular part of a fish makes me a dollar in the school? I don't know. But I love fish egg. Sorry. If you're not in my fish egg club, sorry. We have to finish it. Yes, today we now finish today. Wow, so delicious, me. It's nice knowing that you're watching me eating this good food. So don't forget to subscribe and continue to watch my mukbang video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in my next video. From Ojuolape here, I say keep taking good care of yourself, and I say repeat thank you for watching my video, and I say bye.